Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Mishka. In this video, we will see who all Indian players won various medals in Commonwealth Games 2022. So let's see who all won the gold medal. Mirabai Chanu in weightlifting, Jeremy Lalrinunga in weightlifting, Achint Sheoli in weightlifting, Sudhir in para powerlifting, Bajrang Punia in wrestling, Sakshi Malik in wrestling, Deepak Punia in wrestling, Ravi Kumar Dahiya in wrestling, Vinesh Fogart in wrestling, Naveen in wrestling, Bhavina Patel in para table tennis, Neetu Ghangas in boxing, Amit Panghal in boxing, Nikhat Zareen in boxing, PV Sindhu in badminton, Lakshya Sen in badminton, Achanta Sharath Kamal in table tennis, Sharath Kamal and Shrija Akula in table tennis, Eldos Paul in triple jump, Indian women's team in lawn bowls, Indian men's team in table tennis, Satvik Sai Raj Reddy and Chirag Shetty in badminton. There are total 16 silver medals won by India, and here are the recipients of silver medals. Sanket Mahadev Sargar in weightlifting, Bindya Rani Devi in weightlifting, Sushila Devi Likmabam in judo, Vikas Thakur in weightlifting, Indian mixed team in badminton, Tulika Man in judo, Murli Sri Shankar in long jump, Anshu Malik in wrestling, Priyanka Goswami in race walk, Avinash Sable in 3000 meter steeplechase, Indian men's team in lawn bowls, Abdullah Abubakar in triple jump, Sharath Kamal and G. Sathyan in table tennis, women's cricket team, Sagar Ehlawat in boxing, men's hockey team, India won 23 bronze medals. Let's see who all got the bronze medal. Guru Raj Pujari in weightlifting, Vijay Kumar Yadav in judo, Harjinder Kaur in weightlifting, Lovepreet Singh in weightlifting, Saurav Ghoshal in squash, Gurdeep Singh in weightlifting, Tejaswin Shankar in high jump, Divya Kakran in wrestling, Mohit Grewal in wrestling, Jasmine Lamboria in boxing, Pooja Gehlot in wrestling, Pooja Sihag in wrestling, Mohammad Hasmuddin in boxing, Deepak Nehra in wrestling, Rohit Tokas in boxing, Sonal Bain Patel in para table tennis, women's hockey team, Sandeep Kumar in race walk, Annu Rani in javelin throw, Deepika Pallikal and Saurav Ghoshal in squash, Kidambi Shrikant in badminton, Teresa Jolly and Gayatri Gopichand in badminton, G. Sathyan in table tennis. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe.